Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We've just had some lovely lunch and we're now going to keep walking towards Valletta, so let's see Wagwan. I hope everyone is doing well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're in the gorgeous Malta and at the moment we're in Sliema and we're just heading towards the port of Sliema to get a boat to go to Valletta. We just had some lunch, it was really nice. We had avocado, no it wasn't avocado, what am I saying? It was a waffle stack with poached eggs, wasn't it? Really, really nice with some halloumi. Let's step over here. Right, let's go and have a look at this gorgeous view. Has anyone been to Malta? And if you have, where do you stay? So we're in Sliema at the moment. You've got this really cool sort of Roman baths going all along there. And then you've got this lovely area where you can sunbathe. We also had a drink at that restaurant just over there. That was really nice. Little sun trap that was earlier. Yeah, really pretty. So this is a nice little promenade walk, so you could walk this easily. So many cute little dogs. So yeah, you could walk this promenade really nicely. See a lot of people doing like workouts and running and stuff. I think there was also a gym further back on that beach as well. Sorry, it's not a beach, it's rocks, I guess. See all those little sailboats in the distance as well. Very, very cool flying into Malta because it is literally like landing on a rock, isn't it? Really, really steep. I realise how that sounded, but you know what I mean. Ah, it's like a little bridge going over there. Like a little fort. Wow, look at this, beautiful. Someone on a speedboat over there. Water's really calm as well, really clear. Someone's snorkeling, you won't be able to see because of the zoom, but someone's snorkeling out there as well. So yeah, really, 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 really pretty. So yes, at the moment, I would say this is a really nice little quick breakaway. Coming towards like a little fort thing coming up. Loads of big hotels as well. Loads and loads of big hotels.
So look at this gorge here.
Yeah. Look how deep those lines are. It's very, very beautiful. It's a little bit shaded. It is still early in the day, but it's just that we're in an area the buildings kind of shade it. So you can see obviously on the edge there, it's still, you've got the sun. Someone's car's going off.
So it's very much like Barcelona, where the sun rises over the sea and sets over the city.
Yeah. Yeah, if anyone has been to Barcelona. It's also famous for having the most cranes as well, weirdly enough. And as you can see, there's one over there as well. So they are doing a lot of building as well to this island.
Not this rock.
This rock. It's the Gibraltar Rock.
So yeah, these lines are meant to go on into the water and go out quite far.
So comment below if you know anything about what we're talking about. Enlighten our Wagwan family. So it looks like a nice little restaurant over there with a pool. Really nice. Seems like quite a calm place as well at the moment, doesn't it?
You mean no English?
No lager louts. Yeah, I guess it is quite quiet, but then we've come out of season, so maybe if we're here peak, it'll be a very different atmosphere. But very chilled, which I like. Well, looks like those two are racing. Who's going to win? Right, let's keep going. Let's see what this place is. Beach Club. That explains that pool then, because it's not really a beach, it's more of a rocks, isn't it?
I'll try and check quickly.
Yeah.
So what's it called?
It is called the Pralina. Or Praluna, sorry, Praluna. Smell the dishes, smells nice, the food. We're just eating as well, so I don't know why that's making me feel hungry. Shouldn't be.
It's fine, here it is.
Yes, this is what I said to you, it's famous for cranes. So that's just there, the Pralina. Got a nice little restaurant next door.
So it's what is it?
Yeah. Which makes sense. So yeah, if you like your architecture, this is definitely somewhere to come and visit. Really, really nice. Very pretty. Let's have a look what's going on down there. Oh no, it's just nothing. You don't need to see it. Keep it nice and pretty for the fans. Oh, okay, so maybe this is like a name of the little area ring, so there's the Praluna Hotel as well. Or that beach club belongs to that hotel. Comment below if you've ever stayed at the Praluna Hotel. And there we go, Sliema. This is where we are. Sliema. Oh yeah, lovely, look at that. Got yourself a nice little bit of an ocean pool all closed off. And then you've got the normal one as well. Yeah, really nice.
It's part of that beach club, you think?
Maybe, or it's separate, I don't know. It says Lotto Land, maybe this was built with lottery money, I don't know. Oh, look at that. Like a little tunnel going under. Some people doing fishing over there. Got all the graffiti as well with the under passage. And then like another massive restaurant on the corner. Very, very nice. Yeah, sun is good. Oh, it's okay.
Stay on the left side,
So you can see all the cranes now. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 5. In the space of not very far. So they weren't kidding. And some of these buildings are quite off-putting, not off-putting, that's the wrong word, quite I don't know what I'm trying to say, but the mix of the old and the new is it's quite interesting as well. Really, really cool. And a nice breeze, isn't there? So yeah, so that's the little fishing. We saw people fishing off. I suppose it's just like a pier, isn't it? How do you get down to the stairs there? Okay. Bet it's quite deep jumping into that though. Wonder if you can just jump off, dive. Never be too careful, but yeah, that's quite cool. Those are signs to do not feed the pigeons, so don't feed the pigeons. Do not feed the pigeons.
How fixed out here.
Yeah, it's good though. It kind of makes you feel like doing the same, which is good. I think when you're in an area where it's warm and you can be outside and you've got everyone like-minded doing that same thing, it kind of spurs you on. At the moment, we're in a period in the UK where everyone is getting ready for Christmas, which I love, but with that comes a lot of extra eating. Everyone's wearing the big jumpers because it's cold, so it gives you that kind of hibernation rather than get out, get fit, get healthy. It's more park yourself on the sofa and curl up, which is good, but sometimes it's good to be active. Those are these little kiosk things here as well, which is good. And then look at that one there. Got like a little ramp going up. Can you drive up to that one? No. But yeah, nice little restaurant right on the corner, which looks really nice. But yeah, lots of people doing fishing. Quite a lot of films have been filmed out here as well. I can see why. Yeah, wow, yeah. Right, guys, well, I hope you've enjoyed that. So we are in Sliema, Malta. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.